Okay, I just shut my window, which kind of took away my light, but I think it's fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair care slash like tips and tricks to get like long and healthy hair and just like do's and don'ts of your hair. Yeah, I'm just going to basically be telling you some tips and tricks I use for my hair to create it healthy. Also how I went from like super thin damaged hair to full glowing thick hair. So yeah, anyway guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's the little red button down there. I know you can do it. Hit it. Hit the subscribe button. We're at 110 subs, I think. So yay, we got to our first 100 subs. So click the subscribe button so you can be one of those. And also click the little bell, little bell. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Click that bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day and some like tips for your hair and like some little like do's and don'ts that you can take into consideration to get your hair healthy. And then I'm going to talk about my hair routine and then 5 steps to glowing up. I'll put all the like time stuff on the screen in case you want to like skip to a certain part or something, so you don't want to sit through this whole video. But yeah, anyway, tip number 1 is pretty obvious, most people know, but no heat. Now you don't have to like use no heat, but straightening it every day, blow drying it every day, curling it every day, putting heat on your hair every day ruins your hair. I cannot stress this enough. A lot of people literally fries your ends. Even if you use like the heat protector safe stuff or whatever, it still fries your ends. I have never like continuously used heat on my hair, so I don't know how much it damages it, but it definitely is one of the ways that I keep my hair so healthy is that I don't use heat on it. I do blow dry every once in a while. I'd say probably on the average of like once every like 4, 5, 6 months I'll blow dry it. Not very often. I curl it, never. Straighten it, never. I curl it like once a year for like some school dance or something. But that is it. 2 is find the right products for your hair. Curly or straight, I can't really talk about curly very much, but finding the right products for your hair is very, very important. In the following clip, I will show you what shampoo and conditioner I use. I'm going to show you the products that I use. I use the TRESemmé shampoo and conditioner. It looks like this. It's pretty cheap. I use the anti-breakage. It's like 80% less breakage in your hair, so your hair isn't like breaking off as easily. And then here's the conditioner as well. So yeah, that's the shampoo and conditioner I use. They're pretty cheap and pretty basic, and you just kind of have to play around with like the different products. Like there's Suave and Dove and Head and Shoulders, and I don't like any of them. They like make my hair really like it doesn't feel clean. It's not soft. It's like stiff and stuff. So no shame to their products or anything, but yeah, I use TRESemmé. If you want to like sponsor me, that'd be cool. But yeah, I use the TRESemmé shampoo and conditioner on my hair, and it just makes it really soft and nice. And like I said before, you really just have to like play around with your products and find the right one and just like test them out. Like Mackenzie and I, like we're twins, right? You know, our hair is different. Like her hair is way thicker than mine. Bless. I wish. But we don't use the shampoo. Like she uses Head and Shoulders and I use TRESemmé because we have different hair types, and it really depends on your type of hair. Yeah. Number 3 or whatever number we're on. Some people may disagree with this, but I think strongly of this. Okay, washing your hair every day is not good for it. I mean, I guess I really think all these tips are really like a personal preference, but washing your hair every day, you're like stripping it of its like natural oils or whatever, and you're not like letting it like breathe, I guess, so it's like constantly being cleaned. And I feel like I have a friend, I washed my hair every day in like middle school, and then I think like when I started to get to high school I stopped washing every day, and I washed it like every 2 to 3 days, basically when it gets like really dirty then you wash it, you'll know. That's a personal preference too. But the thing is, when you first stop washing your hair, so say your hair is really greasy and you're like, oh, I'm going to take your advice, I'm not going to wash my hair every day. And then the next day, it's really greasy again. You're going to be like, you just lied to me. No, I didn't. When you first start, it's, I actually got this tip from a Cute Girls Hairstyle video. Maybe I'll try and find it down below, but their channel is somewhere on the screen, so if you want to go check them out, they're really popular, really good with hair. Wash it, like, go a day without washing it. It's going to be really greasy, but after, like, a few weeks of doing that, your hair will get used to it, and it'll be soft and nice and smooth. Number 4. Yeah, I think this is my last tip that I have, which is very, 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 very important. This dramatically changed my hair. I'm going to find some pictures and some videos or something of my hair and pop them up on the screen. This changed my hair so much. Don't wear your hair up every single day. That is every day from the minute I had long hair, from like 7th grade all the way up to like the end of sophomore year, which is last year. So from 2014, probably earlier than that, like 2012 or something, all the way up to 2017, I wore my hair up every single day. When I say every single day, I literally mean every single day. Like, there is all the pictures in like middle school, all the pictures in 8th grade, my hair is up. Like, every single picture, my hair is up in ponytails, braids, whatever else there is. And you can put your hair up, like, that's fine, but I'm going to show you guys a picture of like my regular ponytail. It was like high, like it was up here, and I wore that every day, and that really strains, like puts a lot of strain on your like roots, and it's like really bad for your hair. Now every once in a while, like if you want to put your hair up, like that's fine. Like my hair's up right now, like it's not damaging it, but random. But a lot of people ask me if I ever trim my hair, and yes, trimming your hair is important. They say like every like 6 weeks or something. I think I trim my hair twice a year. So every 6 months, or twice a year. Yeah, I say I trim it like twice a year. You don't need to trim it that bad, but if your ends are really bad and you really just want your hair to glow and like glow up, I suggest cutting your hair. I have had long hair for a while, and I'm not gonna cut it. I'm scared, so I took off 4 inches last summer. So I wasn't at school, nobody saw, and you can really tell anyway, but I took off 4 inches, and that really made my hair grow. For the tips, I don't think I have any more tips about that, but yeah, later I'm going to take a shower, and I'm going to wash my hair and show you the products that I use, and kind of like what my hair routine is after the shower, and like I'm just going to be showing you what I do after I get out of the shower. My hair is in this towel right now. I'm going to take my hair out of the towel, kind of dry it off a little bit. I just like to dry it up, and it's been in the towel for like, what time is it? It's in the towel for like about 10 minutes, so I don't leave it in super long, but I leave it in long enough where it's not like sopping wet when I take it out. So really all I do is pretty simple. I split my hair down the middle, not like, actually I just like put it in 2 parts, and then I take my brush and I just brush my hair. So I'm going to do that really fast, and then I'll tell you what I do after that. I let it get too dry. It gets dry, obviously, that didn't make any sense. So the ends will, like, they dry really fast. So I like to use the Suave Detangler Kids. I don't have it right now. I put it in this bottle, but I'll put it up on the screen. I like to use that when like my hair gets too dry, like when it's like half dry, half wet. It just like detangles your hair and just like adds some moisture to your hair. Okay, y'all, so I finished brushing my hair, and sorry again if like the quality of the lighting is really weird. I was using a lamp and I just turned it off so my face isn't so like washed out. But yes, I just finished brushing my hair and getting it the way that I like, and yeah, that's pretty much all I do. In a few hours I'll show you what it looks like when it's like completely dry. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and give this video a big thumbs up if you want me to do more like hair like related videos, or like hair care videos, or like different hairstyles, or like whatever else you want me to do. Just give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Also, comment down below any other video ideas you want me to do, or have any questions, or even some like tips that you use for your hair to like keep it healthy that I didn't mention in this video. That'd be cool too. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at MyLifeAsJessaMarie. I've been putting a lot of polls there lately and a lot of like interaction with people to see what kind of video people want. So yeah, also don't forget to hit that okay. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week, an amazing life, and don't forget to celebrate life and spread love, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!